Cat in bag. Cat in bag. Captain bag. Ooh, I got a good title for this video. Get the cat in bag. The cat in bag. Huh? Good idea. Please tell me it's not count. Curious cat. I call him Curious Cindy. Indy elf subbed. Cat elf sub to elf. So I need a bigger and better house to film my cat.
What my sister means is she recently took up an interest in cooking. She'd be happy to help you in the kitchen. I'd appreciate that.
Well, bye. Well, bye, guys. Oh, hold on. Let me get my hair out of the way. Hey, that was my cat elf. That was my cat elf sub to elf video. Bye.